Is it maths? Or science? Or even languages? All made simple at Brighter Minds Academy.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Brighter Minds Academy's YouTube channel, where learning is super fun. In today's video, we will be exploring all about the human digestive system, the amazing process that converts your food into energy. Now, without wasting any further time, let's dig right into this video. But before we go any further, let's ask ourselves, what exactly is our human digestive system?
Digestive system are set of organs and glands that work tirelessly to convert your food into energy for your body to thrive and work. Digestion is the process that breaks down the food you eat into tiny pieces so your body can use it for energy, growth, and repair. Think of it like this: if food is a giant Lego tower, digestion is how your body takes it apart into little bricks and blocks so that it can build new things, just like energy. But do you guys know your body starts digesting food even before you even take a bite? Just smelling food can make your mouth water. The digestive system has some main functions like breaking down food, absorbing nutrients and minerals, and converting food into energy and releasing it into our bloodstream for transportation of energy throughout our entire body. Now that you know what is our digestive system responsible for, let's dig right into the journey of food. Let's take an example of a donut. First, the donut enters your mouth or your oral cavity where it gets mechanically digested. Your teeth breaks down your donut into small parts. This is known as mechanical digestion. Now that your food is small enough to enter your esophagus, your tongue and epiglottis at the back of your mouth pushes the food into the esophagus. The food travels to the esophagus and goes into your stomach. At this point, the food is ready to be chemically broken down. Your stomach churns the food in digestive juices and hydrochloric acid, which then turns the food into semi-liquids. But wait, have you guys ever wondered why your stomach doesn't get burned even after the presence of hydrochloric acid? Well, it is because the lining of our stomach is covered with mucus that is produced by goblet cells, but more on these cells later. After getting into semi-liquid forms, the food gets pushed into our small intestine. Now this is where the most of the digestion happens. Your small intestine has small pores known as villi in its linings. These help in increasing the surface area for maximum absorption. All of the minerals and nutrients are absorbed here. Just remember, the more surface area, the more absorption. After this step, the rest of the material goes into the large intestine. Here, everything is absorbed that the small intestine didn't absorb. At this point, all the absorption has been completed and the waste or the feces is ready to be disposed of from our body. Now this was the whole process of digestion in our body. But wait, we're not done yet. Now we will discuss all organs and glands in detail so that we can understand each one's importance and function. Let's talk about your mouth. Your mouth contains your oral cavity and has glands like amylase that produces saliva, the sticky liquid in our mouth. This liquid breaks down starch from your food and makes it soft for you to be able to chew it. Your mouth also has an epiglottis, which is a flap-like structure that protects your airway from food by closing the opening and supports in pushing your food into your esophagus. And finally, your tongue also plays an important role by moving your food in your mouth so that it can be chewed properly. Now comes your esophagus, which is a tube made from muscle rings that transports food from mouth to stomach. This tube is known to be 10 inches long and is pretty flexible. Now comes your stomach. Your stomach is your J-shaped bag in your body that stores and churns and breaks down food chemically, covered with mucus, and plays a predominant role in digestion and known to be filled with digestive juices and acids. Let's talk about your small intestine. Well, These intestines are known to be small, but are also long at the same time. It is 7 meters long and contains villi and digestive enzymes that help in digestion. This organ absorbs nutrients and minerals from the food. Moving on, large intestines have similar role, just like small intestines. But these intestines are larger in size but shorter in length. They absorb all the things that small intestine hasn't absorbed. It is known to be 1.5 meters long and is also a short-term storage for waste or feces. Adding on, rectum and anus are some of the last organ that holds waste and stores until released. Now that we have discussed all about organs responsible, it is also important for us to know all about glands. Let's talk about liver. It is known to be the biggest gland in our body. This gland produces bile, which is sent to our small intestine that helps in absorption. Not only absorption, but also breaks down fats, stores vitamins, filters toxins, and stores and releases energy. Then comes your gallbladder, which stores bile juice and sends it to small intestine when fatty foods arrive. Moving on, pancreas also plays a crucial role in digestion because they produce digestive enzymes like protease, lipase, lactase, and many more. Let's talk about these enzymes. Enzymes are proteins that work to boost digestion or chemical reactions in living organisms. There are many types of enzymes, but this time let's just talk about protease, lipase, and lactase. Protease breaks down protein, lipase helps in breaking down fats, and lactase breaks down milk and milk products. These enzymes plays a crucial role in digestion. Now let's recap what we learned in this video. Digestion has ingestion, taking in the food, mechanical digestion, breaking down of food, chemical digestion, breaking down of food chemically, absorption of minerals and nutrients, and finally, removing feces or getting rid of the waste. So this was all about the human digestive system.
In this video, we discussed all about the human digestive system in detail. If your child needs tuition lessons, either private or group, at a reasonable rate focused on Canadian curriculum, please contact us through our email ID given below. Thank you very much for watching today's video. Until the next video, stay tuned, stay healthy, and eat healthy.